Okay, in this step, we're going to move on from multiplication step 19. There isn't a step 20, but after step 19, you should really be able to multiply everything. So let's have a go at a more difficult calculation, which has got decimals. 3.48 times 32. Now, actually, if you look, it's a 3-digit number times a 2-digit number, so it's actually the same as step 19. So let's partition like we did before. So we've got 3, 0.4, and 0.08, and then we've got 30 and 2, and that makes up our grid. Ready. Now we've got 3 times 30. We know how to do that because we've got 3 3s are 9. Put the 0 on. 3 2s are 6. So then we move here. 30 times 0.4. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. So 4 times 30 would be 120. But we've got 0.4, so we've divided this side by 10. So we divide this side by 10, which means it's 12. Then we've got 0.4 times 2, which is 0.8. And we've got 0.8 times 30. Well, again, 8 3s are 24. 8 30s would be 240. This time we've divided it by 100. So this, we have to divide this side by 100. Remember, here's the decimal point, 1, 2. So actually it's 2.4. And then 0.08 times 2 would be 0.16. Remember, it's not 0.16. That's not, doesn't make sense, 0.16. So now we've got all these numbers. And if you want to add those up, I would use the column method. You can use mental method if you prefer. But make sure you line up all these numbers in the right place. If it helps, put the decimal point in all the numbers. I've got 6 there. I've got 0.8. I've got 0.16. And remember, when you're adding, if it helps, just add in all these zeros, just to make sure you've got them all. Make sure you've got 6 numbers. Let's add them all up. We've got 6 there. We've got 13 there. We've got 2, 4, 10, 11 there. And we've got 11 there. So the answer is 111.36.